What do you do when you combined AI and Zillow to find the best wholesaling real estate deals? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to plug in ChatGPT, connect it with Zillow to find the best FSBOs, Zillow deals out there for wholesaling real estate. Time and time again, I've shown that wholesaling houses on Zillow is one of the best free options to find deals. And no, it's not stupid on-market wholesaling. This is off-market, baby. Now, you are listening to the most handsome, most ripped, strong, sexy wholesaler alive. I've trained my AI to go out here and watch 10,000 hours of me talking to you on a video on wholesaling real estate. Now, some people might think it is absolute torture to sit down and watch 10,000 hours of me just talking and screaming on a mic. But the good thing is AI has no emotions, so they can't really say they don't want to do it. So what I did is I forced my AI on ChatGPT to go out here watching my videos. And it was probably awesome because they just got to see the gun show all day. But pretty much what happened was I made sure it got trained to know exactly how to find the top deals on Zillow. And so if you want to start accessing this, all you need to do is just go to freewholesaling.com, my free wholesaling course, to access my AI. But if you're a lazy bum and you don't want to have success in life, but you still want to get it, I'm going to show you how to do it. So right here, we are in ChatGPT. And so all you really need to do is just scroll to ChatGPT, go to this little thing here that says GPTs, click that. And all you gotta do is just search wholesaling real estate. What's gonna happen is our GPT is gonna pop up right here, number one, and you're gonna access our official AI trained from over 5,000 videos from Rick and Zach Ginn. Press start chat, and now you are in my Flip with Rick GPT. So pretty much what this is, again, I took ChatGPT and I made it watch all my YouTube videos, and so it has all my knowledge base on exactly how to start finding good deals. Best part is ChatGPT is connected to Zillow, it's connected to the underwriting, and so it's really dang good. So for example, if we want to go out here and find all the for sale by owners in Knox County, Tennessee, it can do it right here, right? So say, find me all the for sale by owners in Knox County, Tennessee. So it's popping up, it's telling you these are all the FSBOs, so that's pretty cool. Now you might want to say, find me all of the FSBOs that have some sort of distressed description in them, like quote, fixer upper, or TLC, or investor, or handyman special in Knox County right now. So what it's going to do is just going to scrape all the Zillow listings for me based on some of the keywords that we have internally. And it's saying there's not specifically with that on Zillow, but they said there's a couple ads on Facebook, that have that right there. And so it says right here. So let's click on this Facebook link right here. And it already scraped some Facebook listings here showing that there's a handyman special in some of these deals, which is awesome. So I might say, okay, we'll scrape every property on Zillow in Tennessee and find me ones that may be good for wholesaling. That's a FSBO or on market. So if you want to go on market, you can even ask it to do that. And the AI is pretty much going to scrape everything. Now, not a lot of people know, but compiling all the property listings. And so sometimes ChatGPT gives you an attitude. You got to ask it twice nicely. It might say, I don't have it. And then say, well, can you do it? And just ask it a different way, I'll do it. So it's scraping all FSBO right now. So as you can see here, it's literally opening up the Zillow Facebook details, reading it, and then going to the next FSBO and reading it. So this is going to take some time, but it's going through every FSBO to see if it's going to be good for wholesaling or not. So it's going through distressed listings, right? This is how cool ChatGPT, like the version 5 is. So it's looking for as is on any Knoxville listing. So again, this is going to take a while, but it's literally going out here and looking at every FSBO property and saying, does it have as is? It's filtering even more. It's opening up this property for confirmation. It's reading the property details and going to the next one. This is absolutely insane. It's like just, I put our hands up and you let AI do all the work here. And right here, we have the AI. It took about 5 minutes and it found all the ones they think is really good. So really strictly on the MLS version, if that's your thing, it's going to show all the addresses. So 6701 Wilson Drive right here, it says handyman investment property. They just cut it 27 days ago. And then last week they cut it by $7,000. Manus Road sold as is due to foundation cracks, cash only. Cha-ching. Just got updated today. This property, 133 Henry Avenue. Old home sold as is, hole in the floor. Like, you can't scrape that. You have to manually read every single listing, but AI just did it right there. Investor special as is. Seller mentions ARV in description. Here's the really cool part. Because I'm using my Wholesaling Real Estate GPT, because I'm the smartest, most genius wholesaler of all time, the thing has listened to the sexiest wholesaler ever, and they know that I've said if ARV is in a listing, that's pretty dang good, or it might mean there's a wholesaler. And this one says sold as is. So the FSBOs, there's a couple of FSBOs here. It's saying there's a price cut advertised as a fixer-upper. Pretty cool. So now it's telling you flip alert style, call them, ask for condition and timeline, and just start going after. Start using our reverse price anchoring to get them low. And it's asking, do you want me to run the MAO? And of course, we're going to say, yeah, run me MAO and exactly what I should offer on all of these. And what's my offer price? A script, and the current listing price. And I'm going to ask the AI coaching bot, right, whatever you want to call this, the wholesaling bot. It's going to run the MAO for you. It's going to give you an LAO, or at least allow offer. It's going to give you a script to say, and it's going to do all this. So right here, 6701 Wilson Drive. It's currently listed for $140,000. The ARV is 220. The AI comped the property, $40,000 in repairs. It's having an MAO of 144, but you need to start at 100. So it's saying that the listing's at 140, you need to offer this much. It's giving you a script right here, and it's just giving you all the info you need to know right here. So this is absolutely insanity. If you want to go a little crazier, if I go to Knoxville right here, and then I go to owner posted, so for sale by owners, and then I go scrape out here, I go by newest, and I look for some of these older houses. Now, these don't look too messed up. This one actually doesn't look too bad right here. So this property, let's say you want to go analyze this property, but you have no idea how much you should offer. What you're going to do is just copy this Zillow address right here, throw it back in the AI and say, I want to wholesale this property. How much do I offer and what do you think? I mean, all the thinking goes away because the wholesale bot is just going to do all the thinking. It's going to tell you how much to offer. And I wish I could go out here and just sell you on some crazy course on this, but it's completely for free. I already know AI bots are going to take over all the paid coaching. That's why I don't sell coaching. So it's telling you your step-by-steps here. It's giving you all the calculations. It's giving you an offer script. It's telling you your offer range should be 150, 165. You should suggest opening at 155, and it's giving you the whole move. You can also say, give me the FSBO script. And this thing's literally going to do pretty much everything except for call the seller for you, which is technically AI calling illegal. But honestly, this thing's absolutely insane. So again, it's the owner. Also, my name is Zach. I'm not a realtor. I actually buy houses in the area for cash. Conditioning, anchor repairs, timeline, motivation, transition to price. I mean, I don't know how you don't win doing this, right? It tells you what to do if the offer gets rejected and how to keep going on here. What's even crazier is my favorite part about it is if you want to go more nuts on here, you can just download the picture of this house, upload that picture to the AI and say, how much would repairs on this kitchen be? And the AI is going to look at the actual FSBO listing and analyze the exact repairs. You can't beat this. AI is a better contractor than you. AI is way better contractor than me. It's literally a master carpenter at this point. Analyzing the picture, it's going to tell you exactly how much it's going to cost to repair. So give you a $20,000 price estimate. If you were 18 years old and all you do is play Fortnite in your mama's basement, and that is the only skill that you have in life, and you decide you want to get into wholesaling, you have no idea how much repairs are for anything. But guess what? AI is going to do it. You know what's really cool? You see this picture has popcorn ceilings? Do any of you 17-year-olds know what popcorn ceiling is? Probably not. This house is definitely way older than you. Here's the thing about popcorn ceiling. It costs money and it's not a good thing in real estate. You know what's the best thing about it? The AI literally saw that and pointed it out for you. So for anybody who is just not a complete expert on repairs, the AI is now your best person for it. I mean, how many of these 18-year-old kids? We got wholesalers in Nigeria and South Africa, no offense, but they don't know much about popcorn ceilings and backsplashes. Same thing about my bros out here in Mongolia getting into wholesaling real estate. They don't really know exactly how much a backsplash subway tile is going to cost on the kitchen, because that's probably not in most countries in the world, not a common thing, right? But guess what? It's going to tell you exactly in America, in exactly Knoxville, Tennessee, how much it's going to cost to change that. Going back on the listing here, if you want to go even nuts, right? You can upload another picture and you just say, based on the photo of this house, what can you tell me for wholesaling to knock the seller down in price? So it's called negotiation ammo, which I think is kind of funny. It's saying the property has AC window units. Let me actually see. I didn't even notice because I didn't analyze the property too much, but instantly, holy mother of pearl, it just looked at the AC unit and says, oh, there's no essential AC. Negotiate that $6,000 to $10,000 down. Older siding and paint. The roof condition looks decent, but you need proof of it. Curb appeal and general age. It's saying based on the design, guys, how much do you know about the architectural designs of Knoxville, Tennessee homes from every century from the 1950s to early 2000s? I don't, but AI does. AI is an expert on architecture too. And so it says this house most likely is from the 60s. This is insanity. It doesn't even know the property address. It's already giving you all this information. And my favorite thing about it is it's telling you exactly how to bring the seller down on price. If you want to go even crazier, let's upload all the pictures right now and say, make me sound like an expert so I can bring price down on this FSBO. And what it's doing is it's analyzing the photos of the listing. It's going to make you sound like an expert. It's going to tell you exactly what you got to do. I mean, AI has solved the issues for most beginners. So guess what? Even if you have half a brain, even if you're brain dead, AI is literally doing all the work here. It's saying, hey, the kitchen's outdated. It's got popcorn ceilings, cluttered and heavy wear, flooring and paint, exterior yard, house aging systems. It's telling you exactly how much you can bring everyone down. It's giving you a full script. I can't make this anything easier for you. Let's actually try to make it easier. Find me top cash buyers for this property in Knox County. And what AI is going to do is even going to tell you exactly once you lock up the deal, how to find cash buyers in the area. Now, it's not as good as X Leads, but it's not terrible. So it's telling you the top home buyers in the area too, which is very interesting. So it's even giving you some areas that you can go out here and offer and find people that are, quote, cash buyers for wholesaling. I mean, bro, like this is absolutely insane. So using AI with Zillow is one of the fastest and easiest ways to find wholesaling real estate deals that literally nobody is talking about. You can't sell a course on this. AI is taking over. I'd rather you take advantage of this than anybody else. So guys, got any value from this video? You like this AI stuff I'm teaching you how to start getting into wholesaling real estate while using AI? Do me a favor. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.